We're taking a quick look at the Tercel as I get underway. We can see the outer wheel well is corroded through. Nothing extremely unusual now that we've got these rocker covers off. I fit this chunk of steel in here. Up in here, we're tying into the B-pillar, and then at the back, part of where this rear suspension trailing arm sort of setup is attached. I've formed and fabbed a bit of a hatch here, so we've got holes all along the bottom that will then be welded to this heavy plate. A few on the back lip, and then it'll end up having weld all the way across the end anyways. So it is time to start clamping and screwing and finish prepping this into place so that we can close this all up. Look at this patch on the back of the driver's side rocker. Got set in place. There you go. 3 screws to mount on the top. And now we can see exactly what it needs at the back end to finish. Alright, we started this work about, it feels like a week ago. And so out in the weather, we've got that wonderful corrosion coming back. It's alright, we're going to pop it with a wire wheel. Concentrate on getting this patch in here. Seem to be all ready for a little bit of welding. Got our little patch ready to go. Finish this edge up as I've got some heat applied. Went over our welds, cleaned it up with a wire wheel. Completed our welding on this patch. We can start moving towards finishing it. Cleaned up as much as we're going to clean it up with the wire wheel, and it's time to start coating. Starting with some acid etch, and then we'll get some black paint, seam sealer, got some fresh paint drying up in the afternoon breeze and sun. A layer of paint for corrosion protection. Smeared on some seam sealer. Make sure that all of our nooks and crannies and seams are fully sealed. Our undercoat is now on. It's still wet. Obviously you want to concentrate on the seams. It's not just about covering the surface, but it's about keeping the corrosion at bay. I also did the inside of this panel. You can get inside. Our seam got seam sealer, and we threw some undercoat in there too. Alright, we've got all of our finished coatings on this repair. Our pin stand and extra support are all welded in the bottom of our rocker. We've patched up corrosion. And for paints that I had, it's close enough color match too for today's work. Patched up, ready to rock. Rocker covers back on. And our pin stand outlet is accessible there.